It's a historic day. Today is a day of moment, and today is a day that we are very happy. We have to thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for providing an enabling environment for the judiciary to be fair, transparent, and pass a judgment in our favor, and a judgment that is true of its color. We have to thank judiciary. We have to thank our party faithfuls, our party leaders. We have to thank the people of Kano State. We have to thank the business community in Kano State. We have to thank the ulama in Kano State. We have to thank various support groups in Kano State. We have to thank the traditional rulers in Kano State. I think we have to thank almost everybody in Kano State for being patient and also for continuous prayers for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to give us victory. We urge them, after thanking them, for them to continue to be peaceful, to continue to conduct their affairs in a peaceful manner. We assure the business community that our new government, if we come in, inshallah, and our able governor, Dr. YUSUF, will provide an atmosphere that business will flourish in Kano, as we know. We thank everybody. We thank Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, who is now in America, USA, for creating an enabling environment for judiciary to flourish in Nigeria. We have to thank him for that. We have to thank members of the press also for giving coverage, for enlightening people, for educating people, to some extent even for entertaining people on democracy. So we have to thank them for that. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you and God bless.